Hello everyone, Pedro with you, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on XChat. So actually this is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, of course, you need to open the XChat, and here in the list of your chats you need to choose the chat with the person that you want to block. So for example, I want to block the first chat here with the person Max, so I'll choose him. And to block this guy, all I have to do is to click on his profile picture in the top corner, in the top side of the screen, and I will see his profile. So in his profile, I'll need to click on the More button with the three dots, and here I will have some options to his profile. So I can block messages for him, report, clear conversation, or delete conversation. So basically, if you want to block this guy, you will need to simply choose block messages. And as you can see, it says that you will not receive any messages from this guy until you unblock him. So we will confirm the action clicking on block. So now he won't be able to message us and we are not able to message him. But if you want more, you can click on more and also report him if he sends you some trash stuff or clear conversation or even delete it completely. And basically that is it. That is how we can block someone on XChat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.